English Conversation Junction.
What do you mean?
I mean,
What do you mean? Why are you here?
just passing by.
Why are you here?
Just passing by.
Do you often come here?
Occasionally.
Do you often come here?
Occasionally.
Are you alone?
Yes, I am.
Are you alone?
Yes, I am.
Can I join you?
Sure, why not?
Can I join you?
Sure, why not?
What's your name?
It's Alex.
What's your name?
It's Alex.
How about you?
I'm Sarah.
How about you?
I'm Sarah.
Do you live around here?
Not far.
Do you live around here?
Not far.
What do you do for fun?
I enjoy hiking.
What do you do for fun?
I enjoy hiking.
Do you have any hobbies?
Photography.
Do you have any hobbies?
Photography.
Have you traveled anywhere interesting?
I've been to Japan.
Have you traveled anywhere interesting?
I've been to Japan.
What's it like there?
Amazing.
What's it like there?
Amazing.
Do you speak Japanese?
A little bit.
Do you speak Japanese?
A little bit.
Would you like to learn more?
Sure, someday.
Would you like to learn more?
Sure, someday.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Mine too.
Really? That's cool.
Mine too.
Really? That's cool.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, a sister.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, a sister.
How about you?
Just me.
How about you?
Just me.
Do you like animals?
Love them.
Do you like animals?
Love them.
What's your favorite animal?
Dogs.
What's your favorite animal?
Dogs.
Do you have any pets?
Not at the moment.
Do you have any pets?
Not at the moment.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Summer.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Summer.
Why?
I love the beach.
Why?
I love the beach.
Have you been surfing?
Once or twice.
Have you been surfing?
Once or twice.
Are you any good?
Not really.
Are you any good?
Not really.
Do you play any sports?
Soccer.
Do you play any sports?
Soccer.
What position do you play?
Midfield.
What position do you play?
Midfield.
Do you watch movies?
Sometimes.
Do you watch movies?
Sometimes.
What's the last movie you watched?
Avengers.
What's the last movie you watched?
Avengers.
Did you like it?
It was okay.
Did you like it?
It was okay.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Not really.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Not really.
What's your favorite genre?
Action.
What's your favorite genre?
Action.
Do you like reading?
Yeah, novels.
Do you like reading?
Yeah, novels.
What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter.
What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, not really.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, not really.
Have you ever seen one?
No,
Have you ever seen one?
no.
Do you believe in aliens?
Maybe.
Do you believe in aliens?
Maybe.
Have you ever seen a UFO?
No way.
Have you ever seen a UFO?
No way.
Do you believe in luck?
Sometimes.
Do you believe in luck?
Sometimes.
Are you superstitious?
A little bit.
Are you superstitious?
A little bit.
What's your lucky number?
7.
What's your lucky number?
7.
Mine's 13.
Interesting choice.
Mine's 13.
Interesting choice.
Do you like art?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Do you like art?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
What's your favorite type?
Abstract.
What's your favorite type?
Abstract.
Do you paint or draw?
I dabble in drawing.
Do you paint or draw?
I dabble in drawing.
Do you have any hidden talents?
Not really.
Do you have any hidden talents?
Not really.
What's something you're really good at?
Cooking.
What's something you're really good at?
Cooking.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Spaghetti.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Spaghetti.
Do you like spicy food?
Love it.
Do you like spicy food?
Love it.
What's the spiciest thing you've ever eaten?
Ghost pepper.
What's the spiciest thing you've ever eaten?
Ghost pepper.
Did you regret it?
Big time.
Did you regret it?
Big time.
Do you have any allergies?
Nope.
Do you have any allergies?
Nope.
What's your favorite season?
Spring.
What's your favorite season?
Spring.
Why?
Flowers everywhere.
Why?
Flowers everywhere.
Do you like gardening?
Yeah, it's relaxing.
Do you like gardening?
Yeah, it's relaxing.
Do you have a favorite flower?
Sunflower.
Do you have a favorite flower?
Sunflower.
Do you like surprises?
Depends.
Do you like surprises?
Depends.
What's the best surprise you've ever received?
A trip to Paris.
What's the best surprise you've ever received?
A trip to Paris.
That sounds amazing.
It was unforgettable.
That sounds amazing.
It was unforgettable.
Do you like dancing?
Yeah, it's fun.
Do you like dancing?
Yeah, it's fun.
What type of music do you dance to?
Bop,
What type of music do you dance to?
bop,
Have you ever taken dance lessons?
nah,
Have you ever taken dance lessons?
nah.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Maybe,
Do you believe in love at first sight?
maybe,
Have you ever experienced it?
once,
Have you ever experienced it?
once.
Did it work out?
No, it was just a crush.
Did it work out?
No, it was just a crush.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yeah, it's exciting.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yeah, it's exciting.
What's the best concert you've been to?
Coldplay,
What's the best concert you've been to?
Coldplay.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Guitar,
Do you play any musical instruments?
guitar.
Can you sing?
Not really.
Can you sing?
Not really.
Do you enjoy listening to music?
Definitely.
Do you enjoy listening to music?
Definitely.
Do you like karaoke?
Love it.
Do you like karaoke?
Love it.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Don't stop believing.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Don't stop believing.
Do you like camping?
Yeah, it's peaceful.
Do you like camping?
Yeah, it's peaceful.
What's the best camping spot you've been to?
Yosemite.
What's the best camping spot you've been to?
Yosemite.
Do you like stargazing?
Yeah, it's mesmerizing.
Do you like stargazing?
Yeah, it's mesmerizing.
What's your favorite constellation?
Orion.
What's your favorite constellation?
Orion.
Do you believe in destiny?
Sometimes.
Do you believe in destiny?
Sometimes.
Do you have any regrets?
A few.
Do you have any regrets?
A few.
What's your biggest regret?
Not traveling more when I was younger.
What's your biggest regret?
Not traveling more when I was younger.
Do you believe in second chances?
Absolutely.
Do you believe in second chances?
Absolutely.
Have you ever given someone a second chance?
Yes.
Have you ever given someone a second chance?
Yes.
How did it turn out?
It didn't work out.
How did it turn out?
It didn't work out.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes.
What do you do on rainy days?
Read or watch movies.
What do you do on rainy days?
Read or watch movies.
Do you have any phobias?
Heights.
Do you have any phobias?
Heights.
Do you like roller coasters?
Not really.
Do you like roller coasters?
Not really.
What's your favorite board game?
Monopoly.
What's your favorite board game?
Monopoly.
Do you like puzzles?
Yeah, they're fun.
Do you like puzzles?
Yeah, they're fun.
What's your favorite type of puzzle?
Sudoku.
What's your favorite type of puzzle?
Sudoku.
Do you enjoy solving riddles?
Love them.
Do you enjoy solving riddles?
Love them.
What's your favorite riddle?
Why was the math book sad?
What's your favorite riddle?
Why was the math book sad?
Why?
Because it had too many problems.
Why?
Because it had too many problems.
That's a good one.
Thanks, it's a classic.
That's a good one.
Thanks, it's a classic.
Do you like going to the beach?
Love it.
Do you like going to the beach?
Love it.
What's your favorite beach activity?
Building sandcastles.
What's your favorite beach activity?
Building sandcastles.
Do you collect anything?
Keychains.
Do you collect anything?
Keychains.
How many do you have?
Around 50.
How many do you have?
Around 50.
Do you like going to museums?
Yeah, they're fascinating.
Do you like going to museums?
Yeah, they're fascinating.
What's your favorite museum?
The Louvre.
What's your favorite museum?
The Louvre.
Do you have any tattoos?
Not yet.
Do you have any tattoos?
Not yet.
Would you like to get one?
Maybe in the future.
Would you like to get one?
Maybe in the future.
Do you have any piercings?
Just my ears.
Do you have any piercings?
Just my ears.